Governor, though, big news nationally this week. The U.S. Supreme Court ruled that same-sex marriage should be legal in all 50 states. Many of your Republican colleagues have said that ruling is flawed. Do you agree?
Well, I'm disappointed with the court's decision. This, of course, happened in the state of Iowa in 2009. I just think the people should have had an opportunity to vote on this instead of what the court did. But it is the law, and unfortunately, this is the decision they made.
Rick Santorum, campaigning in Iowa this past week, has said there should be an amendment to the U.S. Constitution to ban same-sex marriage. Do you agree?
Yes, but I'm also familiar with how difficult it is to amend the United States Constitution. It takes a vote of 2/3 of both houses of the Congress, ratified by 3/4 of the states. So the chances of getting that are not very good.
Governor, there's not even a majority of voters in Iowa who would agree to amend the Constitution here to change the issue of marriage. I mean, is this issue running its course? Is it smart for Republicans to continue to push on this issue going forward, or is it time to change the conversation?
Well, there's a lot of other important issues facing the country. We just had a tragic terrorist action recently now just in France at an American-owned company where somebody was beheaded. We're having more and more acts of terrorism in the world. We have ISIS on the move. We've got the situation with Iran and what they're doing in many countries, as well as Russia. So I think we've got to be concerned about safety of our citizens, as well as what's going on in the world, and this national debt, getting the American economy going again. We got a lot of challenges.
Are you saying, Governor, leave the same-sex marriage and Obamacare behind because we have more important issues?
Well, I'm saying, and I think you know what I've focused on as governor has been revitalizing the economy, bringing more good jobs, improving education, reducing the size and cost of government. Those are the priorities. But I think you can't ignore these other things as well.